Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will talk about the LG AC remote. There are plenty of features available in this remote and it's very helpful if you know them. We can use this to save time and energy, aka money. Overall, we can have a better cooling environment. Now let's check this remote in detail. I believe the default remote color will mostly be white and they keep the power on off button in orange color. This is lightweight to carry or keep in your pocket if you want. At the front you can see the remote sensor and next to that you can see three lines. I believe they have something to do with the air circulation. At the back you have this battery compartment. They use two AAA batteries for this. You can remove the batteries and keep them separately if you go on an extended vacation. Also you should be aware that not all the remotes have the same functions. The settings are the same but some functions might be available and unavailable according to the LG AC models you use. Let's start with the screen. This is a pretty decent screen for checking and changing your settings, but an optional feature to make this screen bright at night would have been helpful. Three primary basic buttons, orange button for turning on and off your AC, and these two arrow marks for decreasing and increasing your temperature. They have from 30 degree to all the way down to 16 degree. Now let's check the other buttons in this remote. The first one is the comfort air. So this is all about your comfort. You can adjust your airflow or swing by keeping it up or down. You can see the screen. Now it's up, now it's down. The next one is the air purify button. Our LG AC model comes with an inbuilt air purifier. You can press this button to activate it and you can press it again to deactivate it. This is the mode button. You can press it to see the different types of modes you have. This one is the A1 mode. This is the auto changeover or auto operation mode. This will automatically set the fan speed and temperature depending on the room temperature. This one is the monsoon mode. You can see this M symbol inside the water droplet. This is used for dehumidification. This is the fan mode. In this mode, the compressor won't switch on. It will just use the indoor fan. This is the default cooling mode. This is the 5-in-1 4 modes. You can use this for power saving. Let's say you have a 1.5 ton AC. It will usually operate in total capacity, right? But you can make them 80%, 60%, 40%, like that. This will be really helpful in saving some money on your electricity bill. You can see this chart to understand it better. This is the fan speed button. You can use this for adjusting the fan speed. They have 5 different fan speed modes. This one, usually it will be F1, F2, F3, F4 and F5. F1 is the lowest and F5 is the highest. This is the 5-in-1 H capacity mode. This is the Himalayan cooler high capacity mode. So what it does is if your AC's total capacity is 100%, then when you press it, it will become 110%. You can see the top percentage here. So you can use this for 30 minutes or more depending on the models you use. You will instantly get fast chill air. You can also press the same button for 3 seconds to display the room temperature. 28. This is the vertical swing button. You can adjust the airflow vertically like up and down or vice versa. Like this. And you can also press the same button for 3 seconds to turn off the LG AC display. This is the horizontal swing. You can adjust the airflow horizontally like left and right or vice versa. This is the PM sensor. PM stands for particulate matter. You can use this to check the indoor dust status. This is a feature we have in our AC model. You can also press this button for 5 seconds to diagnose your LG AC. I'll share how this works in a separate video. Below this we have the setup section. This is the up and down buttons for changing the values up and down. This is the set button. You can use this button for setting and cancelling any function on this AC. This is the sleep button. You can set the sleeping mode with this. You just have to click it and you can set the value up to 7 hours. Then you can press the set or cancel button to enabling or disabling it. That's all. This is the timer button. You can set the timer to turn on or off the AC automatically at your desired time. So please make sure you have the correct time on your LG AC remote display. Then you can adjust the timer to set the desired time. There are plenty of functions available in each LG AC model. In this model, we have the option to remove moisture generator inside the indoor unit. You just have to select this and you have to set it. That's all. Even after you turn off your AC, it will do the job for some time. So that's all. These are the buttons available on this remote. Of course, your LG AC remote might look the same or have different names on different buttons, but this is how you access all their features on your remote. Many of us use the LG ThinQ app or Google Assistant to control our AC, but we have to rely on our Wi-Fi or the internet for this, which will be odd for some people. Even some of us feel good when we press the buttons and get the work done. I decided to make a separate video since we had so many options to cover on this remote. I'll share a separate full review for our LG dual inverter AC with air purifier soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly let us know if you have any comments. Please subscribe if this video helped you. Have a great day.